Alright guys, thank you very much again for sticking around to watch my unboxing. So if you haven't seen my first unboxing about the package or this package that I bought online, please do click here. I'll just have it linked up here, or I'll also put it on the description box. So without further ado, let's then unbox my new toy, which is the GoPro Hero 8 Black that I purchased online. It's really lightweight compared to the old GoPro that I had, which is the GoPro Hero4 Silver, and now I'm upgrading to GoPro Hero 8. It so happened that I'm really into a hardcore adventure, so if you haven't seen my Instagram, please do follow me, which is Big Gear Tours. I'll just link it here or on the description box so that you'll see more of my adventures or the photos and some videos that I took during my travels. So let me just... okay, there you go. There it is. Really premium. Yeah, I can say it's legit. So here's the... I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me just dictate it to you. It's C for Charlie, 3 3 3 1 3 503 61306. So that's the actual barcode of this GoPro that I bought online. So all you need to do to open this stuff or this box, because previously I opened my old GoPro from the top, but I just learned that you have to open it from the bottom. So here, okay, let me just do it really carefully. Okay, here, careful, there you go. Ta-da! So let's just put that box right here, and then the unit. You have to pull the rubber thing, which is this one. Let me just snap that back. So this, just be careful so that the unit itself will not fall. I'm not sure guys if you can hear the rain because it's really raining hard. But anyhow, this is the unit. Let me put that here. I'm quite excited because it's been a while since I bought something for myself, especially it's a new action camera. And I think you already know the features of GoPro because there's a lot of unboxings for this. What I only have are the charging cord, the extra mount, which is a clip with a curve, if in case you're gonna mount this or stick this on a surfing board, your helmet, or somewhere else. And lastly, the battery. That's the original battery of GoPro Hero 8 Black, which is totally different. Let me compare that with my GoPro Hero 4 Silver original battery. If I can use this battery with the old one, definitely not. It has a different thing. See? It has a longer nose compared to this. So you cannot use your batteries for the Hero 4 Silver or Black with your GoPro Hero 8. But as what I checked, you can use the batteries for your GoPro Hero 7 or GoPro Hero Okay guys, this is one of the tips that I'd really like to show you on how you can check if the item that you purchase, especially the GoPro, is authentic. Just a disclaimer again, I am not an expert nor employed by GoPro to do this, but these are the things that I found online or through my research on how you can check the authenticity. The box itself should have a laser sticker, and then the seller should also indicate the serial number of the unit that has to match on the box. Okay, so that's C3313503613006, which actually match. And make sure if you will be buying a brand new one, this blue strip should not be detached, because when it comes to brand new units, this bottom part is attached. And then on the GoPro, in relation to the serial number found on the box, it has to match as well. So let me show you how you can check that. All you need to do, of course, is to turn on your GoPro, swipe down, click on Preferences, and then go to About, and then Camera Info. So I already configured this earlier, which happened to be the Big Ear Tours 8, and the serial number indicated here is C3313503613006, which actually match with the serial number indicated on the box itself, which means this product that I bought online happened to be legit. So there. So if in case you happen to have any questions, or let's say some other tips when it comes to GoPro or using GoPro, I'll glad to read those things on the comments box or the comments below. And for more of my journey in using the new GoPro Hero 8 Black, please do subscribe, click on that notification button for you to see more about my GoPro videos, as well as my videos or adventures when it comes to lifestyle, food, and of course travel. Until next time, here in Big Ear Tours with me, JC. Can you hear the motorcycle? Can you hear the motor, guys? Kapoy ba yung in English? But then again, I have to also cater to my foreign viewers, not just Filipinos.